Hey guys, it's Zach. So today I'm going to kind of do like a little Mythbusters video, and the myth is, can you really bleach your hair or lighten your hair with hydrogen peroxide? I have been wanting to lighten my hair up a little bit for a while now. I've been wanting to do it for a while now, so I'm gonna try to do the myth of, can you actually bleach your hair with hydrogen peroxide? Now this is 3% hydrogen peroxide, which if you Google it, that is the right kind that you're supposed to do. They say you can mix it with baking soda, but I watched some videos and everybody that mixed it with baking soda literally did it and it looked exactly the same. So I'm just gonna go straight into it. And then another trick that I know, because my sister is a hairstylist, and when she does color people's hair, like trying to get it a lighter color, she uses heat. So I'm gonna use a hairdryer and speed up that process. Dump it into the hydrogen peroxide into the spray bottle. A little left. Sorry, Mom, I'm using all the hydrogen peroxide. Oh my god. Is this like bad for you? I don't know. Alright, so without further ado, let's just fucking do it. I feel like this is not good for you. Like, it's making me want to sneeze. Wait, I also want to do my arms. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna do like one arm and see how that kind of turns out, because obviously my arms are the same hair color. Well, the time has come. This is the final result. My arms are, I mean, you probably can't even tell on camera, but like, it looks a shade lighter, and my hair does look like a tiny bit lighter, but honestly, like, you know, like that sun-in spray stuff, and then you go in the sun, it lightens your hair, like that does like a better job than this. Like, don't waste your time doing this. Like, it really just doesn't work. This video was just such a flop, and this kind of like, when I edit it, it's gonna go by so fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually finish the job, and I'm gonna bleach my fucking hair. Is this the right way? Oh, I think this is the correct way to do it. Whatever. Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost have one hole. I think I'm getting like good at it. We'll be right back. We're gonna take a commercial break. Yeah. Like, do you see that shit? They just pop right out. Oh, there's like none back here. Cassie, if you're watching this, just know I love you. And this is for clout. Yeah. This is how to do your hair on a budget. I feel like we're just like missing a spot. My OCD needs to stop. That's like a fun addiction. Alright, since I don't have a lot of hair, I'm just gonna do a little bit. You wanna make an appearance? Come here. See that much? Clingy. What are you doing? What?
holes?
I know, I don't know. I just found it. I'm like, let's get the highlights. Alright, we're just gonna...
I'm traumatized.
I'm giving myself highlights. I think.
You're like, if it doesn't turn out real, don't blame me. I was drunk. I'm just gonna blame it on that.
Why would I do that? I'm sober.
Oh yeah.
I'm a recovering alcoholic.
I don't believe that.
I know.
I got birth control in my arm. Did I tell you that?
In your arm?
Yeah.
How? You got the shot?
Not the shot, it's the thingy. It's like the thing they insert into your arm.
My nose. Come here, come in the camera, show them. Look at your bruise.
I know. It's down here. It's down here. It's below that. Please don't do it. Like, it hurts extremely bad.
I don't know. I don't know.
Here, just take off a glove for a minute.
I think I'm done.
Don't push
Ew!
it. Did you feel it?
I like it. Alright, so this is like the finished look. It's definitely blonder, but it definitely needs some toning, which... Next video, question mark? DIY how to tone your hair? Stay tuned. Oh my god, who knows? Well, if you haven't already, please go like and subscribe to this video. Obviously the hydrogen peroxide was a complete flop. It doesn't work. So I busted that myth, and then I actually did finish doing my hair, and out of 10 would recommend using this Revlon Color Effects Frosting Glow with the cap. Like, it really gave me a really nice highlight. But thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, like I said before, like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see me break any other trends or any other mythbusters as well. Yeah, thanks again. Goodbye.